How can I search subfolders using Glob.Glob module? I want to open a series of subfolders in a folder and find some text files and print some lines of the text files. I am using this. But this cannot access the subfolders as well. Does anyone know how I can use the same command to access subfolders as well?
In Python 3.5 and newer, use the new recursive / functionality. When recursive is set, followed by a path separator matches 0 or more subdirectories. In earlier Python versions, Glob.Glob cannot list files in subdirectories recursively. In that case, I'd use os.walk combined with fnmatch.filter instead. This will walk your directories recursively and return all absolute path names to matching.txt files. In this specific case, the fnmatch.filter may be overkill. You could also use a .ends with test.
To find files in immediate subdirectories. For a recursive version that traverses all subdirectories, you could use npass recursive equals true since Python 3.5. Both function calls return lists. You could use Glob.Glob to return paths one by one, or use pathlib. Both methods return iterators. You can get paths one by one.
You can use formic with Python 2.6. Disclosure: I am the author of this package.
The Glob.2 package supports wildcards and is reasonably fast. On my laptop, it takes approximately 2 seconds to match 60,000 file paths.